Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little reminder about how to access our textbook and how to find the resources on it. So once you're in your ClassSync folder, we're going to go to the one that says, you guessed it, online textbooks. So once you're in there, we're going to open Savvas EasyBridge. It might take a second to load. All right, once you're in here, you're going to have on this right-hand side something that says Savvas Realize. Go ahead and open that. So once you're in here, there's a couple things you can do. I believe that yours says classes, or you can even hit browse. And then you're going to open My Perspectives Texas English 3. And that's it. One thing I recommend to y'all is when you're on here, if you hit eText, eText is going to allow you to see the book like a regular book. So you want to go to the edition it's going to say open in a new window. Once you're on the textbook, you can actually search it for those terms. So let's see, I want to talk about tone. I can search tone and it's going to actually pull. So anytime I can think about what tone is and looking at it, it's going to pull up all of the lessons. So for example, if I want to look here, I can pull any of these pages by clicking on them and it's going to show me the entire lesson. So tone is formal syntax, for example. Also, another thing on here you can do is go to the table of contents and go to the end where it says toolkit and use any of these things. So like type of evidence is going to really help you when we're talking about evidence in there. Yeah, good luck. Oh, and one more thing. If all else fails, when you open this sidebar, use the glossary. It's here to help you. So a lot of these things, like if I want to, again, search tone, is going to be right here. And it'll even read it to you.